Well, spring has sprung. With spring, few things you can always count on. The days will get longer, the barren trees will start to bloom, the grass will start to grow into a lush green, and Realeflow will continue to update our platform. I love this time of year. Spring is a time of growth, and we here at Realeflow continually strive month after month to make it easier for you to use our platform to grow your real estate investing business. A key component to a profitable deal is a thorough repair estimate. Now, while it's easy to get distracted by an appealing sales price, a thorough repair estimate will reveal any additional and necessary investments, some of which can be extremely costly. While the repair estimator within Realeflow is an amazing tool that gives you a clear picture to whether or not a property is worth investing in, it wasn't very mobile friendly. That's all changed. We've made it easier to create repair estimates as you walk through the property. The new mobile experience is cleaner and easy to navigate. Now, the first thing you'll notice is that all of your existing repair estimates are listed so all the information can be seen without scrolling from side to side. Clicking here on an estimate will allow you to edit or delete it, while clicking here on an estimate without a linked property will also offer the option to link a property. Once inside the repair estimate, you'll notice that everything is now broken down to 4 main groups: exterior, interior, mechanicals, and other. You can also quickly add property notes here. Let's select exterior. Select an item to enter or see existing costs. Now you'll notice that even though the costs are now listed next to the item, they will not be listed on the actual estimate till you select the checkbox here, turning the item blue. You can select and deselect these items as you wish, keeping in mind that only the checked blue items will be included in the report. If you would like to add a repair item to your repair estimate, simply select this icon from the list page to reveal your defaults. Select the group you would like to add the item to, then scroll to the bottom and click here. Enter the name of the item and save. This item will now appear under the selected category on all of your repair estimates. You can also add a repair type to any item by clicking that item and selecting Add Repair Type. Let this new mobile experience guide you as you walk through the property, ensuring your investment will be a profitable one. Last month, we told you about the new redesign to our lead pipes. This month, we've made the same improvements to our people leads. You can now select the sort criteria here. Use this arrow to select from ascending or descending order. Use the My Leads feature to create dynamic lists of people leads. Then use the quick action buttons to export leads, start a direct mail campaign, or save them to your contacts. Well, that's it for this month. Our goal is to help you become a better investor by delivering systems and tools that will help you invest smarter and do deals faster. If you have an idea that you would like to see implemented, email us at brightideas@realeflow.com. To check out these updates for yourself and all the cool tools that Realeflow offers, start your 30-day free trial today. Happy investing.